The sound of PH in English. Hi everyone. Did you know that the letters PH in English usually make the sound of F? Let's check it out. When you see PH, pronounce it like an F sound, not a P or H separately. Here are some examples: phone, elephant, photo, philosophy, alphabet. It's not p-hone, it's phone, like this: I just got a new phone. Phrase examples: I took a photo of the elephant at the zoo. My brother studies philosophy. Do you know the alphabet song? Fun fact: the PH spelling comes from Greek words. That's why many science and academic words use it. Now you know, PH equals F in most English words. What's your favorite PH word? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more English tips.